Can you be born too friendly? I don't mean like a smiling baby. I mean, you can hardly act any other way. Children with no fear of strangers. Meet some kids who I hope fill up your hearts the way they did mine. They're living with a bizarre medical mystery that is a blessing and a curse.
Hey guys, this is the story of I laugh.
Imagine a place nestled in the woods where music fills the air, where you can dance to the beat of your own drum. And for some reason, everybody here wants to be your friend.
Nice to meet you, bud.
Nice to meet you. You're great. You're great. You got great hands.
Hi, Chris.
Hello, buddy. How are you?
I really want to go to ABC News.
Oh, thank you. Thank you.
What's your favorite color and what's your favorite TV show?
Kids love to ask questions, but not as much as these kids. My favorite color is blue. I have met Barney the dinosaur.
Where do you live?
I live in New York City.
Do you have any sons or daughters?
I do.
Wow.
I have 2 daughters and a son.
Wow.
And kids love to make friends, but not like these kids.
What nationality are you?
I'm Italian. Oh.
How do you, buddy?
They look a little different, but what makes them special is a rare condition called Williams-Syndrome. And here at a special camp in Michigan, these kids have gathered for a week of learning, fun, and togetherness. It may be the most welcoming environment in the world.
My favorite thing to do is come here and hang with my friends.
Who likes hugs?
Something about, oh, I love hugs.
I do.
When people give you a big, huge, giant hug, you feel really loved. It's very nice to do to people.
The face that they like to put forward is that one of joy. As soon as you smile at them, you are their friend. You're no longer a stranger.
Terry Moncava started this camp back in 1994. Her 24-year-old son, Ben, a camp counselor, was more than happy to give us a tour.
There's a lot of things you can do. There's like fishing, there's boating.
Hello.
Williams syndrome is a genetic condition affecting 1 out of every 7,500 newborns. About 25 genes out of 25,000 are deleted in the middle of the 7th chromosome. That little genetic deletion creates a whole constellation of symptoms, including exaggerated, vaguely elfin features. The children also have hypersensitive hearing. That means, on the one hand, noises like a parrot squawk can terrify them. On the other, they show a remarkable affinity and, in some cases, talent for music. Ben is an accomplished drummer. And whenever you're with Williams kids, put on the tunes because they are ready to get down. But by far the most fascinating aspect of Williams is a complete lack of social inhibition.
I have a question to ask you.
All right, let's hear it. What is it?
Do you like girls?
I do like girls. It's like a friendship gene, a happy gene.
Yes, a little bit like that. We're trying to understand what are the underlying cognitive and brain mechanisms that explain the social interest, the social exuberance that we see.
Do you worry sometimes?
Dr. Helen Tager-Flussberg of Boston University has been studying Williams for almost 20 years. Like other researchers, she runs many of her experiments during the biennial conventions of the Williams Syndrome Association, which, as you can imagine, are rather spirited affairs. You might think all kids are this warm and open, but look at an experiment that proves otherwise. The tester pretends to hurt her knee. A normal 2-year-old does nothing and actually keeps her distance. The Williams kid does the complete opposite. Moves in, tries to comfort, even rubs his own belly in empathy. Just what I wish my kids would do.
That feels better. What's wrong?
That hunger to help was evident when we met 8-year-old Ashlyn Bear.
I want to help everybody when they get sick or get hurt or if someone's feelings are hurt.
So you're just you want to be a helper. Anybody, anything.
Oh, yes. It feels like an honor to me.
We aspire to have a little bit of Williams syndrome in all of us, and I think when you meet a person with Williams syndrome, it makes you think about how you respond to other people.
Look how 11-year-old Eva Stoll is drawn to every dog and every owner she sees.
May I pet your dog?
She really loves interacting with the dog's owners. She wants to talk to people, and it's an entree for her.
What's the dog name?
Everyone is approachable. One recent study even suggests that Williams kids show no racial bias.
Well, people are people to them, and it doesn't matter what color they are.
The inhibitions that I have naturally, they don't have.
Right.
But is that a blessing or a curse?
I don't know. I think it's more of a blessing. I really do.
I think it's the rest of us who have a disability because we don't know how to be as kind and as open as they do.
Well, wouldn't it be great if the whole world felt that way?
But there's one thing we haven't told you. For people with Williams predisposed to love and trust without hesitation, the world can be downright dangerous.
I lost everything.